no ye bunu asiniasin to said ye yanum appetition thought by thought obrabia so awu twa na siniasin bia no the consequences then soon so enye fe ya wampa futuo no ono na etwa sabone ato ho ama ne kra every person obia woni mekwan a ye fa so enya nyansa no enya commissioner meshe na me make catch on say the ompenyansa no na brabo enye fe. Wisdom is the principal thing. Look for it, search for it. Go and sell your property and buy it. Me mama ekosu Rebecca when yan baby ko ose kwame say nyansa ye ton ka wonge beton na doso. Amazing. I'm not telling my about 1 penny media one datching your fat. Akrabia o Johnny no Tumirika na Obeson Nekasa Debia or Pentam every Nimedia Hono and datching your fat. Let me share a branty be whom say, this is a wonderful child. Sabranti na buy the Dutch by a Prof. Every say opinion san Nimedia, what pebribia tuno. Wo penim die bia ebedan na brabo na mana nambo SC 2:11 of Proverbs ose adwempa behoso nantiase abohomba anapai na munyina ache mene ekosua ago aboaje na yaje yadwai sadi onimo no ya na the free show bi abrewo Anapay yebekasa about toxic relationship enkita hodie ene relationship bi awoni obi wo mu a emboawo yebesua how to recognize, how to respond, and how to recover from harmful bonds. Enkita hodie bi awoni obi wa epriawo eku esel enso kai osuabrobo otimdi etim oswenye muda ka emebu sembo eti edonu mienu emu edonu anan ekosi edonu anum Proverbs 22:24-25 let meme ekosi akai osi make no friendship with an angry man and with a furious man thou shalt not go lest thou learn his ways and get a snare to thy soul. Or say, ma woni obia nebu funtam enya yonkofo no obia nebo eye hurehure nso enkone nchen anya sa obesua na nambotuo bone no na ebeye ensohwe ana ebeye trap ha edi amaukra enti what mean ka say obia wadam for no nobody can be your friend. Choose wisely. Auntie Akosia Memawo achim papa
mejusu
papa da meni se minchiao na menda wase papa na niji
aseda nyame dia yensu ye nhyira pa
chese okoi ni nyina na nkrofo fra no wo fra
ni nyansa no ano odin nyansa no de be boaye na ano odin
nyansa no hye maybe ye kona Priscilla say daddy say Jimmy no ye tutu nyina fme
eno anana wututu through Sompa unim say papa ye wo ye client service line bi ankrofo frɛ wo so
okay
na e ankrofo frɛ Jerioms na sanyansa we bi wo wiase because obi wo kra papa won teda wosi anti akosi maboa mabrabo koso won se maboa mabrabo first no say na me bo bra basa enti papa nyame hia wo say say mama ye hu say nye ministry nkwan say wogina pulpit so
nyame so nhira akosi
nye ministry nkwan say wogina pulpit so ba bia nipa wo bia ye ministry
ahun asema akosi kan endra me call endra and I was a pemem week. Now, I want to preach about the man and your work. To hear me make a few post ministration comments, and I make actually say, because the first ministry God gave man your work. That's the first ministry, and the ministry say anytime you can carry God to a place where human beings are, you are ministering. And they said the all kind of ministry yet say ujina ye can say pulpit sunko now boko lanko now preaching ko. That is not ministry. Ministry is say they now be to me impact being and now be to be a making
a money
people's life. And now I can
enti enye pulpit nso baby a nipa enti papa so obi be fra ka say na se biomi a megitum se na magimi papa
just a name the enemy
onu oti be first auntie akosu mo mama hu nyansa.
Wow.
Mo mama hu abrabo mu nyansa.
Wow.
Mama mia me hu se de na me si bo me bro baby force mia me hu se mia na me me ho tamfu. Na sanya bonsam bia na ha me. Ono na e ho bonsam bro. Wajatu. Wo se mia me tina sidino.
E no he se wo se no.
Sisie. O se me shegina ye bia me sisie. Ene ne me bia me ye me ho a. Afeni me hu se enye me kra enye bonsam na ha me mia na me ha.
Ono na e ha no.
Wajia through Sompa Rhapsody na wotie ye no.
Because someone said na ka se me wa. Na me for say if you become the enemy of your life and if you yourself mislead your life, nobody else can mislead you. So wow by you
time for dia obi nyame kura ntimi nyo nyame na obo wo
master of
we are master of your life. Nyame na nkasa kura no no an ntimi nyew ono kura se wo anka kura ono wo ma respect to space no say no person we see live life no obu it is a we make decisions say bio anamoto fo na abeteki nyame respect oh na wo mo bronti papa obesma nipa bi onsem bi kura bosen woni akobo message bi so e bi kura no obetie Sompa Rhapsody na wadwe na achim oye nyame a oye even though he respect your space the obe wadwe so obeye bia na ode nani behwe no still no odo nipanti o sheda na wato information bi afa ha wo se woni obi akohye ba bi wa asore no aka bibi se wo betie ni nyina nyame na papa wo kasa no
nyame na e kasa no
wo se wakohye wadamfo bi no wadamfo na ka chew se oba de mistreat no oyire bu no wo sha wo yire wutietia no so ho no nyame na akasa kire wo no even though wa fo wadamfo so na wo ka bibi a kire emi de menim adwuma ho agro ti me de me fam adwuma ni agro sansam na wotie na nyame na e kasa kire wo no
enti antwensa
bofo bi begina ba ye ai I am Gabriel. I stand in the presence of God.
I have come to you.
Papa. Papa de bia nyame kasa.
Okay.
Then said the bonsam e kasa fa nipa mu no. Sana nyame so kasa fa nipa mu. Etu de bi kwa wonam social media no woni akobo video bi so. No obi aka wo bra wo boyi ahweyi o. Nyame na e kasa kire wo no.
Wow.
Nyame na e ka bibi hye. Obi na de abeto Sompa Rhapsody no o ka kire wo se ne papa wo so be toxic relationship yi. Nyame na e ka bibi a kire wo se ba bia wo wo no. Ehonye hwefiri wansan na woni so abriw. Nyame na e ka ba ye dwe se bia obofo bi be baba be si fam no baba ye am Gabriel. Holy
Because you decided Onyame ba Elijah and Chen I think 2 Kings and 1 Kings 19 one of them na on say Nyame ba Chen na there was fire
jam
but Nyame
no nam jam ni
and there was earthquake na Nyame
asase wo so no onim
there was also wind from man what day Nyame
yeah.
And then me say, is it a splitting of rocks or something? Nyame nini nyina mu.
Yeah.
But omu anote say, eneketwe Elijah.
Enu na no.
Enu na nyame wom. Enti mo expecting nema oh, ewade beba me nche.
A majestic form bi no
cataclysmic bi no about nche hello ekosia eno nyankopon twede ampa Debi nyankopon ne voice no
Debi papa
e base kwa
nyame kasa fa ni pam eti wotie Sompa Rhapsody nyame na e kasa kyerɛw
nyame na ne wo kasa
ebi a wona madwuma mu ana obi afro no kasa abrante ababawa se de wusi ye wo hu yi ya hwe yi because asa wo de wadwuma di agro nyame na afa ni pani mu aka kyerɛw no eti so ba wo for me the first nyame na wa reject na ne council no wo ho bibi ɛna wa ba minti papa so wo ye obi a wo mpa futuo ni atene a obebre because nyame be fani bi so akasa akira wo
akoso aka ho bi
wo ye obi a wo mpa futuo eni atene obebre wo ye very defensive
mo repeat ho manto
say wo
obi a wo mpa futuo ni atene
no obebre
yan commission ye hye wo eno enyansa
sa wo mpa futuo ni atene obebre obi e se tu for na e say wa attack wo
right
obi answer why you defensive
right
the moment obi ye na dwe so na what peja with defensive mechanism no na se te sa nipa na ba ye wotamfo dabi babia wonam na nye me na ehoto nyame na afa nipa ne mu kasa akire wo no wo be so maami bi wo na maami bi afafon so no afro kofi enti wo suade o na me ni bi sansem na wo ka kire so suade me ni bi no eye nyame na
ne wo kasa no
enti se de bonsam fa nipa mu kasa no nyame so dabi o kasa etire bi kra na wo drive Ubo se na Exodus 14:14 obi ka won ko he no be still papa nyame na kasa che
no
when Exodus 14:14 be still no eye nyame na kasa che no enti ene nyame kasa che ye da bia all the time o kasa ne voice ewiem niema nyina nyame kasa che ye na asem bi obi be ka che wo be hia wo bi eti papa ya yembie ya so say rade kasa kire me no don't expect say bofo bi ba begina ho
me yere very practical on that ono anopa ya ke say adi somebody say no otie hasen maybe Osafo do ono I very pragmatic person and wo beka o go say na nyame kasa chenti wo nkofo o nyina wo say nyame she very practical
oh yes papa
eti obi wo ho agoso te say bi kura wo bom pai se obi aba na brabo mu enti awrade nipa yi o hwa obeboa me na wo so o
nipa no ogina ho
na obra na wo bu no wa o hwa on obeboa enti sometimes God has given us our mind, the brain so na no che me ba kire
yeah
the body, the soul,
yes,
the spirit.
So what try papa?
Na send you o make decisions. Ni nyina e play a part. Obi o ha o make decision no. Na ni padua no nko feelings e o mu
nko no dey take it.
Yeah, no one would.
Adwene na wato adwene na.
Wato adwene. Eti make say obi o toxic relationship na enye. Na so feelings na die chi no.
Atenka no. Oh. Papa tenkana no mo friend odo no.
Eno.
Sister di odo na se.
O say ade di anka mempe na mo so. Ade me kompe mu ate.
Empa no di decide.
Empa no di decide say relationship no eye. One kompe mu wi anu asam bru
na guso we.
Na anka mpese mi jai. So ade no de.
Obi so say na mpese mi jai oba no de na no afa me ho sa.
Afa me ho sa. Mpese mi jai. So the bona hemu no ya papa asense mu na
okay
enti wo hwa enti sometimes use your mind for one jini ye adwuma na friend say me papa isu na bakasa bi o say so nyame mpese ye di adwini ye adwuma
nko amfa ma ye
anka the day we go born again he would have decapitated us ye born again pe na we yisa nyansa na firi ho. But when you're born again, and say born again doesn't mean the suspension of your mind. Yes, Anette.
Ya wo fufura no nchesa wadwene no. Ya tu wadwene na sheda. Say ya wo fufura wo Yesu mu a. No nchesa wadwene no ya tu asheda.
Monch. I see how from. I don't know.
Adwene no nyame de ma wo se enya adwuma. Enti adwene no chese papa nipa be bretin am say da ko gise wo be kire nipa be brenim the power of the mind sa adwene no nyame de amaye no ahu se de adwene ya na papa ye de aye we ye o adwene ya na de aye aeroplane yo adwene na nkrofo de design ntade yo adwene na nkrofo de church books yo papa adwene na mo obi koye lecturer no o kira de no adwene na nkrofo ye scientific research papa ya adwene na o adwene na de fun we abrɛ yen o adwene na mo obi aye mpaboa adwene na papa mo obi etimi design radio ya adwene
enya bofo bi na be ma
enya bofo papa bofo na de we be si ha
enya gebre
dabi dabi
obi na tena
sound ni nkoyi a sound engineer e wo na adwene
bofo bi ani ha
dabi bofo wo na adwene be hyehye enti sa wo be ye kristoni a papa me kura de me hu ni say sa wo be ye kristoni a body fofo no wo kura de e sa wo mind de ye more sharper. It has been redeemed. Who cried the watching no? It has been redeemed. To say, I will fulfill the any watching no, so I want to fulfill. It is not say you have the mind of Christ. Now, Papa, then will be our the mind of Christ.
I also want it, no mind. But of course, yeah, let's come back to because yeah,
I know topic
relationship.
Okay.
Obeshubino. Da many abranti bi na ho abranti ne anka da anka oye bad o koye bad na eya na ni me bi ho ye no enti ya na mani nje ma ya hase mi jans me to me nyai da anka anka me di anka ko hwe me just da ya obro me kakra da na se obo me na beti ko bo ban na ba ko ri so kana asem da na me nim de me pempu abranti bia me hia no a sister bia me hia na me ne wo ho me ntumi nyemu adentia just obedi matam san I say my basa da so de ebona hemu no ano na ya na da me hu de akosia sansem ya ye man bi ehun se ne obisi handle mo na enkrofo bi ma eyomo basa relationship ne nya nso to bi nya eyeden ina deba
papa me da se me giri se factors ne do so bebre but the edimu tinti mind pa ye self worth
okay said ye wusi hu fa
said ye wusi hu fa papa said ye wusi hu no Papa said you woo nipa wusi hu no.
The way you look at it, you view yourself. One
ka say what genie fa wa wo.
Susu ye fa ho.
A genie fa wa wo ho no.
To wumbu hu a. Obi ambu.
Na papa say wo value hu a. Papa say wo tei. Wo be kwa fa bia wa fe no osi so wunya nware ye. Wo tei o. Na wakohia oba bi oba ne didi watam. Na papa no oba no kra no the moment a wo meeting na wo hu say na kasa kwanya no wan hekra de etia wo be block na number adentia because unnim ne wo yo wo sometimes when nipa no kra nkasa wo he ne ye no ode ba no a erekwa timi ma picture say no this is not worth it.
Hi
eti papa eye sene ye hu ye ho no
is obi mbu ne ho
me say be ma bi wo wa ne confidence oni confidence bia or baby wo we need confidence the confidence no ye be ma no a anaso oba na wo be fa ne be ma ne value ne value ne gina nipa na oba ne so now ye de value akwose hyehyehye niema bi mu enti eni ya nkasa ye mu
but it must start with you.
Say chance
say wo bu ho first now who say you are worth something
enti papa ye mu say tie for amutie sign na wo a wo si hu
hey
wo hu say wo sombo
you all run your life.
Yoro. Ye busam we traffic. You na wo tie Sompa no. Taxi driver, truck driver, wo office. Say na wo hu. Eti wo say wo sombo na you deserve the best. Wo say wo sombo na you deserve the best.
Okay.
Emre bi mi si obi no kan akosia. Oyo bawo papa Christo ni bawo. All men cheat. Nam say shut up.
Hey.
Said ye wo Solomon, said ye wo Joseph.
Thank you.
Enti de wo de wadwene be kono. Sa wo di ogidi se obetimi anya Josepha, ubenya Joseph.
Ubenya adwene da ne timu.
Na mom na adwene be da wotimu se. Be ma bi ani no kura wona ka kire wo. Enam say I know men omo worry as virgins.
That's right.
I have seen men omo worry as virgins. I see men na omutimi gina pulpit so can say me ebi te say Pastor Mesa Wotabel. I say I'm married as a virgin.
That's right.
My family so chida. So my fa oba kronum pie meka.
That's right.
Ya was how many bi wo ho. Ah wonim say me worry ye no me nya unfaithful da. But who say the who see who no enya wo say who deserve sa ba ma no.
Na ya.
Who to e wo say who deserve obi a wo yesabi wo mu ne ho.
Okay.
Eti papa adwene a yen dwene fa ye ho no. And then they determine the kind of relationship I settle down for.
Eti obi hunu bia sa wo bu hu.
Obi an chese, obi an na ne nam na odidi watam na ate ho. Wako for ba, otimi didi watam.
Wani mu twitwam.
Ono ko atimi catch us say me ye o favor, say me ne wo relationship. Chese na me yo ka wo so ba ne me. Ka wo so ba ne me. Na fe oti ho. No de man obi a. De fa che me wate. Me nya me uja mi amewu. Uja mi amewu. Papa, then nanka, be be kas waja wo, be kas waja wo. Wo so kwa kono madrewu. Wo nim ne wo yo.
Adentia.
Papa, wo nim se obi se wachro. Dear Kofi, dear Kwame, I am committing suicide because you say you don't love me anymore. So, if you don't hear from me, it is because of you that I'm dying. Papa, me yesu be wuma me no. Me nya madwe se be wu am obi a. Yes, you go on the woman, me. Papa, me nya madwe se.
Akosia wo de o break you heart no. Ya wo ya ne se ho na muso fa wo. Why you adwe se wo kogu.
Misu kakra. But no say papa na kwa me twa me say na akwa we kura bisu no na de.
Na ya na wo se.
Asibi se bisu ye. Papa, me hu me value no. Asibi se na me say na kwa wo benyame. Me say no kwa nko benyame no aware.
Exactly.
Because you know something that you didn't know. Me wo bibi. Eti papa the entia yes papa nya ya o. The entia obekono obi te relationship bi ni abuse no ni ade no. Why na building the confidence e bra no usu no.
That is the next important point.
Why na catch ne say.
Ensemme no catch.
Ensemme ye keke.
Asemme no
ti. Na tem sa. Ne mame ene ne papa. Say the papa I'm rebuking was say you're significant other person no. Well yeah dey timi deal with them. O ma me timi ka say wo sia be me bie no be ware wo da. Sabi your ba phone to say wo. Eju papa wona mo nya wonim so your ba phone ti ko sia be me bie obeka odon wonsem kakra bi a kire wo. Ya damage you. Oh
my God.
Ya damage you. Abema osi so ye dinner temsa.
The only confidence.
Onye eti onu kra na oba no kra na wo so ope no no a oba na pene so no wonim so oba na ye ni favor.
Oh my God.
Because ne confidence na say ne gidie wonimu no it's not there.
My God.
Eti papa ye di ye man dem say the da kan ye damage ye man no.
Damaging them. We are damaging them. We are
damaging them papa. What me do baba tem oba be ma tem ade a ye mistake. Akwada emfumso matano.
Enipa yemfumso. Na wan kasa kra no. Won yemfumso.
Eti akwada na mo nyina papa. All that opie ba ya will be show a little care.
That is the point, Akosia. The trip, the trick.
A little care.
Enti adiena wonya no. Onipa na oya abuser no.
Yeah.
Na wahunu baby ya.
Wahunu baby odebebo. Yeah.
Nti no de afa ho. Na wahunu say adi de menye bi da.
Menye sa papa, onye bi da. Wana ka sa. Akola bi ka che me say be ma kan say no I love you. Onti bi da. Wo so odwene ho say I love you.
Wow.
Ni tima ye ne de. Papa, enti oba akola ye nka nche ne say ohun ofeda me do. O ma me nka nche say me do. I love you. Unim nyanso me be de me nyanwo. Ye di na temo a. Ebeda na I love you ma.
Suddenly obia dopamine.
I love you ma dopamine. And resurrected. And for baby
obia no. Ohun papa. What is a bophobia? Ira kwan
papa wo kuno. Eso no e manipulator no gina ho no.
Jesus Christ.
We are narcissist no gina ho no.
Jesus Christ.
O ye women's bitter e no gina ho no.
Jesus Christ.
But onim di ode fa wo ho. Ema utim ye wo de because unti bi da. Ye nka nche so ho ofeda. Ye nka nche so wo ye important da. Ye nka nche so ye do da. Unti bi da. It the word I love you keke me do no.
Naturally, because you're encrophone, if you are a more power in China, they look at number one, your worth.
Yes.
Said you will see carry
Ah.
Said you may be a your deaf, be assembly, no, or you may be our mirror.
Now what they are manipulative. Papa be war narcissistic a relationship mu and I will shim na nipa ni control no. Nipa na shan so o manim pie o manini o be se men fra wo maame men fra wo papa. No te wo papa.
Me nothing now.
Me say, who are you?
Who are you?
Who are you? But mama ne kwan because na me lucky bibi. Eti nanka asase we su papa. Nyame ammo obi anso obi me obi su o. Nyame kan se enye dominion over the creation.
I no anka se obi me to.
Wanka so obi. Was he made na body e soro ni asase. Wanka se tina asase so. Na papa obi si wo ko ho. It's like wabrabo na wo bo no. Wow, Muno. What's it? Just say,
serious.
Wouldn't abrabo bia, Papa Missa, Misha, Mammy Penny na Wawaria che.
Okay.
Na Papa, Mamma, no worry for over 40 years. And I'm in need didn't come. Na only me didn't cocacha me say, Osroni Kunepa.
Okay.
After 40 years now, Papa, or the Susroni
Osrono.
And what can say, Mama, me couldn't say my brabo.
I
feel also mama me couldn't say my brabo. Mama me couldn't say my brabo.
What?
A man say my brabo. You sana you will never be brilliant pesa me.
Oh,
but she a meno.
A blocking no.
Would you who shame me? Or the me betina fee. Menya no answer me when I mesham and quadano.
And now, okay,
but na me pesa me teacher ni. It was saying this who say, Obi kono kutane bag near dear. I say, Mama me couldn't say me. I control who or bape chese and to only the answer ye duane ma no. Oni kuse won ko ba bia.
O ye
na busia me bia ne be ma no.
O ye machine ma no.
On ne control ne life manipulating no. Here politics wa control it after 40 years papa. Afi no hu say me ma ho kwan.
Obi ba ye dia ma o se hwe no.
Me ma ho kwan ma me kunu say ma brabo.
And I was on ma.
I was my ma ho kwan. But now I didn't know better. Na me nim de meye because na me ni obia. It was not farm no na me de ma brabo nyina atwa ne ho hia ye. Nti na me nim se papa tia se wo se na me nim se me ametimi aye bibia ma me ho. O se na ono anim so betimi aye bibia ma ne ho na papa ye no kre. Se ye ma me no mu bi frɛ no mu kasa. You can sense and you can hear say no ono ano te ho no no onim so betimi aye bibia ma ne ho. Ono ano te ho no papa onim so betimi aye bibia ma ne ho. Etu me pebe ma bia ma na hwemi o me pebe ma bia ma na hwem nti nam koshia be ma bi enam koshia be ma bi enam koshia be ma bi enam koshia be ma bi eno o kan so de mbesua adwuma enam koshia be ma bi eno so de mbeko school enam koshia be ma bi nam koshia be ma bi nam ono mo ni
say o so kura no
that be onim ni own role in her own life. Papa onim ya dia tete no say wudi an say obehia be ma bi an nsam ye ba wamu ade ono kra wonim so talent bi o papa onim so ability bi onim so potentials bi onim so bibi wonimu obetimi aye the life a chane ho hia
akoso what should you use the next 15 minutes you hwe e die na sankrofo yi esese wo hu about relationships
papa psychologist for this boy you mo wa adwuma ye papa best Ghana Psychological as a councils association papa momoye we have been damaged papa momoye to be honest level na ye wono papa a psychologist for momoye ye nim kwa mo be fa so mo betimi offer free because sometimes your client service line so be frewa
and some all
can we say no nim because obe relationship mu nipa na nya hwe ma onware wo onko hu wo busuafo omma uska woni na wo one oti wo ko wutu ayedai
ma ni mra ho so
papa uksa utena wo ko wutu ayedai one ne ba ye no wa ma enough evidence say wo mmoa wo One and one no, papa, one and one no. One more enough evidence is wow.
Hush.
And to what's a wow ye day? Papa, one and the panel one no. One what's wrong? We're empty. What's a what a man is a banner better that's a day.
I was a man casting the hadia. That Obi cancer me. A baby a worry, no warrant by 19 years. Now, a brand no worry, no a narcissistic.
Oh,
And I saw the first time on my honeymoon. Sabi, and then I'm password on the coin. I said you will be rape you.
hey,
Now, on prepare. Now, on any dance, no bomb.
hey.
And you're so sorry, no business. What is? What am I
Dear
saying?
me.
Sometimes I'll be okay, you remember. Or refi, or them say, our phone, if you are, I'm used to some skillful way be. No, we're piano bone,
Hey,
nitty bone. And in the tian bone, the tian, you know, a pay on neda.
hey.
There are times, staircase, not in the chair to so. And of course, I want to hear staircase, where chi, if you come, it is to see. Dakro, what bruna, and papa no, I will be a mortician or yet if you and what found not in a call morgue, then a call share mortuary, catanso. 30 minutes. I say, until that one who said, Fedi Obi. She decided to be close. Or one who said, the anything, that's very 30 minutes. Papa, be you know. And now, what is so good? What is so good? Now, I say, if you are the pana, or take Osonins, or to say, or in the back. Because she was frozen. Now, make a care. Need enough of it. And just say that crow, Hossa. And I said, the main family here, Nipa and Yenipa.
Debbie, papa, Nippon is a bio, Nippon Yabua.
When your relationship,
A dear relationship in here. Our here for our phone bannon.
when and your relationship. And I Obronade, do you born and I am a bully?
Hey,
Don't be back until 300 daddy question and free one say, said it was your kind. Why did I
allow my day?
What is wrong with me?
Pay.
when you are our any relationship any obi our pen any we prano anti ofri ho I say I take my life in my own hands.
Yeah, me my brother say me am nsem.
And I say o kwad me ban moko.
Oko. Me my brother say me
Or
nsem.
ya shame some say ofri ho no ka tell say ha enti e dey na yinipa say ade ya nipa na ikumi o se me o pira me mabrabo enkoyie o ye made bia e be se me da ache just any mo ni nyina enye constructive
Obi o so odom.
All destructive things.
We your door.
Let's make it.
Papa. Obi betie. Me kwa me ni baabi akọ.
Yeah, some oka. Yeah, some oka.
Me ni baabi akọ. Obi so beka. O say ojami obi anom me biem.
Hey.
Ojami obi anom me biem.
Toxic relationship.
Into osuro say ampa wo kwa obi anom dem. And obi so say me ni ska me de be hye nkwala no.
Hey.
Me ne wo ma me ensa. But me ni ska me de be hye nkwada no.
Then now obetumi ayama ho. Ekma bi ani ho.
Papa be ma bi ne yira de bia ne yiri ni bufu ya na obru ne nua.
Hey.
Eye ni no okese no. Eye ni no okese no.
Wow.
Enti be ne din komo na me senti adan na free like pebe wo da mun separate mpo.
Exactly.
Wa nye divorce kwa mun separate. Enkola ni susa.
And Krano onim say such a toxic relationship.
Enkola ni susa.
Enti
enkola no me ntimi nhwe wo mo. Me ntimi nhwe wo mo. Enu ntina ama mete ho saa no. Ntimi nhwe wo mo. Enkola ni susa. Na mse nti woni nua ba bi anase yi anase bebi saa. Papa me say police officer bi frame me bema. obano ama na bobosia di ne nyina jelo na ma no wodi wa bobosia ma pese wo ya no de wo ya na skana hye wo ko na skana hye akọ skana hye nti no se won san kope no se me kope bosia fofra me niska nti wo de twen kakra obande sa ene wontimi nche one wontimi nhwame etie ne me kofa be ma foforo nti wo de bag asan ko an me yiri o papa na yiri ene so wajano wo ne be ma foforo ko daba
what
obana ka kire ni kunu se me ne be ma foforo ko daba efisa wontimi nhwame na papa mama wo so nti na ka twa me ho ahia wo police officer yi wo obanu nti o ene ka etwa eti papa epe be nko ano no
eye pebe
nko ano no papa bosia ba ko ama no ne kana hye no asa kope ba ko ama no ne wo do salary akwaje wa ma bosia sese iba bia boso be so a wakatua no 1 cedi kura wunya na sa oba we de bia na wunya eti oba no nya bia na no kase na ntimi nhwa mepe na ne ho po na okope ska foforo e de abre no
asembe
ekwawi ase eka twa ne ho ahia
manipulation
osi onya abotre ebe ye awsia ne se wuntimi nhwa media na bema kentinka watna mo ba besia manipulate eye wodone atenkan dodo say
eye feeling bad
afedi ekwawi ase osia se wuntimi nhwa me ne me kone bema fofra kwada asa aba na baba wo betimi abewura mi fie wo osere wo kwaba na wo benya that audacity audacity abeka san sabio papa ensamfu we acheme bata dentia onim se be ma no pene se de wo no pene
exactly
onim se be ma no epene mo esen se wo no pene because one ne chance ye no wo hui e na papa se woni obi share relationship ase a eya show it takes two to tango won kwa na obi a wo ye investment won kwa na de bia wo ma eti nipa no wo hu se wo pe no esen so no pe wo eti obe manipulate
amba
eti se woni obi share relationship ase ba hwem se ono so ne hu komu bia na won kwa na de bia wo ma won kwa na de bia de sika kɔ won kwa na wo ye sei won kwa na wo ye sei e na wo ma nipa no so hu se wo pe ne mo eso ono no won frɛ na on frɛ me na papa relationship ka chi obi so obi frɛ ye papa relationship mu ya ka chi obi so obi frɛ ye papa se wo betimi ni obi papa wo ni obi wo relationship ma wo mom na wo ka chi ne se won frɛ wo na me de bia me na me frɛ wo there's wo chance a wo nko na wo frɛ na se wo hu se se wo kate onye ready on pew because papa so oba pew na be ma pewa wo so no pa opese ono kasa eti na Christopher kra ye do nyame nti ye so no pa ye pese ni nyame kasa eti wo wakohia wo bi a wo se wo ne be de ti ya na akwa aware yem da bia wo na wo frɛ ne wo ye say I'm not the calling type obwa a toxic relationship I'm not the calling type so when you the calling type kra wo hia de wo penti wo be ya the calling type
wo se wo sua
wo be sua ye because nipa no pe nasem papa wo bi a wo pe no na wo pe nasem you cannot live a day without calling the person
right
now wo be frɛ on nansen de wo mfrɛ me nkwa na me frɛ wo ma frɛ wo to aso mprensa me frɛ wo biem woni je ho abra because ye me enu no ene ye pese ko relationship me pese me hu se wo pema sem se de me so me pe wasam na
wow
ba da bia no ye pani pa na sem nti no papa ye agent se me pe wasam so I must have you
must break all the rules
the fact is me pe wo no en kire se me nya wo betimi apade bi na papa enye ma wo ye ntia se sa wo betimi apade bi na enye ma wo
ade na wo pe no
na enye ma wo
enye by you design
yes you can like something that is not good for you wo betimi a desire bibia it is not good for you enti the fact is say we share obi a wo pe no na wo pe ne pa no na say wo hu niema bi wo ho wuta nipa we wo mo ame to pe ne to twene because anya pe no nko a because at the end of the day no wo pe no but onye ma wo
sometimes your desires can run wild ade bia wo pe no ade no ebunkam fa so ema sabe won for adwene enye adwuma ama you've thrown away caution to the wind until the wo ya ne say odi ade na chisa
saya
brawo ebekun ebeseo emfa ho it's a toxic relationship a one-way relationship na say utoa so eko anima emo abra
emo papa Edi papa the fact is say na ye adwen say me pen no de I must have him or her. Sa na ya na papa ye. O mi sia no me pen pa. It just say enam say me pen nti I have to do everything.
No I jeni pa just alone kwa.
Just say enam say me pen nti me pen no it would the BI who work just say you are working hard.
One way tough.
One way but nipa no on putu she on fa hwi nhyem. Onye investment bia. Aya onye investment bia wom. Ni giving bia anim ono de ane so oda ho eti ohu sa no akoa yi he opami o ene me so me manipulate no wo ha no afro na me say me rent si fa skabra obefro no obagiska
ai ena ka say bediwa
ana ai ene o ebe man so ofre wa no opese ono oda eti time opese ono oda no ene obefro oban so time ono hie ska no ene obefro papa relationship bia nipa na pe sex and ofre wo nipa ni pesika na ofre toxic relationship
montio
toxic.
Did you hear that?
Relationship be as any pan wo here sika.
Bema no oba here sika.
En wo frɛ wo.
Wo frɛ.
Bema no wo per sex wo pempam agudi an wo frɛ wo.
En wo frɛ. Bra kwasi na how me hu ache na me se
me credit asenti.
Me credit na so. Na no so na me fie ewura no oka. Na che se
papa toxic relationship.
Kebrel.
Or this can we are wanting ka for a long time.
What you know
no frɛ.
We wura nsu na se.
Bema bi nso abo so oba no oye ya no oba ne koya one ne die ya wanting ka tama na kɔ na aba no.
On friend na
obo so oba na we bema we afro na adi akire.
Hey!
Bible ka se memo adwaman a.
Want to don't awaken love before. Jare na so
Bible ka se memo adwaman wonti ase.
Wonti ase.
O ka se memo adwaman a wonti ase. Ai entie ya no wakokam wontene nka wo befre na wonfa. E omu ana msa na dwubi oda ho na na tenka ba se ge we de me frɛ na wo beba. Be ma no so wonim se wo ofo. Onim se wo ofre wa wontimi nka no.
Ana ko so mema bi wo ko so me se o sie no so ka. Mema bi wo ha oba no. O manipulate oba no se omo ware yansa but oba no yes ka pe no afi ase ko ne nchen na wonum se de me de unse me se me do pa me do na eya ahochiri ntina na oba no sika ba ne se
sika ba ne se
okodada
ai wo manipulate okodie
okodada na ne san nam ntie na nbre no
ene san night ne kwa na sex no be ni ade ohun so oba no sika ba
wo be ye ne yie pa
I said be ya ade chan this kind be ma no.
Oh!
And also here toxic papa. Into one marriage, you're very careful. Skaba when someone no kuna kraba.
Manipulation kwa.
Sikaba when someone na kraba. Sikaba when someone na good sex aba. But who say kakra ni bia ni ho no yemfa wonya hwe wo fie ho. Wow. Na papa skaba bia me kan kire ho.
Me kan kire ho.
Dabi amini eno se dabi amini bi se wa yo hu nyansafo enti aware na se bi nyansa betena ho because my study who say eba me nsam no a na afedie finally dabi africa wutifie na wo yesi me tam sika na ma wa wodi wie ye no afedie wo pie kura wo ma
o ma bi o
next time me sika na ma sa be kan che o ba na o ba bia me che de se nyansa na ni kuro te sa o se te akosia enam se wunya sika men kan kire no
anu ano no
men kan kire no na hwa ade enti so ha na sika bia ma
dabi
o ebi ma yo ni na sika ni bi ba ya ache wo papa no wate ahwe wokokra
just obudu kwase sika ni ba ya
baby o yes afọ eyi kakra no afi de scam ma no afi be na aware ye kura mi wo mu kra no Shini
aminya yewa ai pie shini
manipulator ye di nyansa ene ye ne tena
tani ye bawo manipulators
ye di nyansa o yire ne study sika ni hu a one wona
wow
sika ni hu a one wona
wow
wa mani sika one wona
wow
enye won wo pe wo
wa pe sika be di we bi
be si da bia one na yire beda ji so tontoma papa I ntintoma no wapakisi ho wakoto tontoma ne sen ho nti onya de ba ko beto ho a
na chese oba na hu se we And the sorry, I go 7 ajeje. And I want to just
go to a yiri bede bi aje se otontoma. Obi so ho aje se o maniska. And one Sunday
so is it possible that people are commercializing sex?
Oh yes, our marriage, yes. Ani abroche kra de papa wo ho pa.
Oh, I was see a treaty.
I wo mo UK US and near the France and I'm Italy near the no. I just all discuss to answer.
And some no other.
I no see 50-50, me 50 also 50.
It's a median there.
It's me median there. I body in there. Onu so betieska. Yes, bills were
bills were
and
no, then 50 on the body in the 8 years.
Mr. Papa, I worry him and ne. Bema be on a year bed this woman is cancer.
Ha!
So our money scar on an na. Commercializes sex and first come to wow, they do
buy.
On phone, who you won't know about anymore. Papa, the marriage got nothing to do with you. It's about him or her. Nipa selfish interest in kwa. The ebe bo wonu nti no buy. It will be her papa or buy say do obenye free ho enye de ono de be ma wo.
Of course, in a minute, there are 2 principles. How do we manage such?
Maybe the busa.
Share with us your late thoughts, your wisdom.
But me be busa say.
I was out share with
you, professor of psychology.
I was share with us just 2 points. And Prof, how have you helped them?
Papa ya na me tu omo fo me chi omo adwene ba wo mo aho first.
That is it.
Me di kan chi omo adwene
one kasa
no. Me ya na me pese me find out said ono anipa no wo hu ne ho. Said ye ono anipa no me pese me find out more said ono anipa no ono te wo no.
Right.
Eno na papa uti say low self esteem. Cra che say inferiority complex. The person the identity is gone. Or your victim. Wa victimizing ho. On nim say na brabo so no an nsem. O dwen say na brabo no ye obidia. O dwen say na brabo no ye obidia. O nim say na brabo no ekuta wo no ankasa. Etienam so no dwen say na brabo no ekuta wo binti no. Nipa no e control ni say why say remote control nipa nsem.
I say remote control.
Eti say ye twa adwene ti na make say papa psychologist mu wa adwuma ye no.
Adwuma de ye.
Ye say mo build ye. Because I wish Africans here soon by papa stand here to government.
Baby, come baby.
Stand here. Oh yes, who say I'm on the crowd na or ye come to be a bomb say ye nemo bequayana ye penny for give me a sign. Yes, I you know a low self-esteem. Papa ye low self-esteem. Enti me pese me chini pana dwene baso na me mane hu ne hu se de nyame si hu no.
Okay.
Ndia na me chi ma me wosombu wo nya nipa.
You should know your worth.
Me am say wo nya nipa fun wo papa. Me say for picture send me na me ha de. Hey, wo fe papa.
Oh.
Wo say anti akosia. Me de me kru say me ye wo ba fun.
Hey, wa say no.
Say no damage no.
Wa damage no.
Ana say be man obe send me say, "Hey, na say de Yankopon si bo wo nie." Wo ye be ma papa. Wo ye adwuma bo so me so ansa na wo nya me say, "Hey, be ma na wo ye adwuma me ensa."
Wow.
One ka so bi wo shop. One ka so timi asi ofie. Wo timi atọ car.
Wow.
Ena oba eye wo sei.
Ena wo te wa wo he no.
Eti ase wo reset in the mind ni biem.
That's right.
Ama na ni eti na ni ba ne ho so a.
That's right.
Now what am I? Edi ati me timi ma me yere e kasa manim rough sa.
That's right.
Eti papa wo chi o ma dwene ba so no a. Ma o mani bomb ho so at once. Obi di o ha take it time. Obi wa just one council crown and then but obi wa ha obesan anti akosua
manipulation no deep.
Yeah, deep and papa said okay wounds no deep. This say you have to keep coming. And say eti papa o chini pa na dwene ba so said the prodigal son say he came to himself. Obusan say no obi a me papa wo sika pa na me mpreko edidi wa ha. Obi a me papa e wo sika. Ne servant kura som no. Eti mo say the moment oba be hu say na me sis me oba me ye adwuma. Me bomb me homoden. Me ametimi atwaduane ama medi. Metimi ahwemema. It why am I allowing this man to treat me like trash? I don't know me as a carpet no tietia me so. The moment na ni be ba ne ho so no. Na ne ma bi obegya ye. Ebi anipa na krofra adwuma ba no busan so papa. Ukwe memu sa me adam ya akola. Obo se wagya ye. Oba na musa biem. then I'll start giving them strategy. Niema ben na wukunu ya ehawo. Niema ben na wo yere eya etete wo. Eti wo kan be se wo ye we ya menye we. Efi na krofra adwuma ba memusa ne se na adwuma mu te se because ubusa ne se adwuma mu te se no fa ho didi watem.
No.
Eti memusa ne biem se ukọ adwuma mu na te se.
Create
Eti
a certain
enti chassie bu ho. Chassie ne bu ho aware na se. Se oba no be me bi kra de papa onim. Se opese won ne kunu opese won ne yere da. Oba ne di na temo ama ne be ko betimi emia.
Can you do it?
Wonko because onim say wo beba. Oba no nya. And say for a season yes be wo da atwen. Me se me nko ne ho biem. Osante akusia me try. Se no na beboa me dia me try.
That's right.
Afedi oba wabona kon homa owi akodware no wada.
Hey,
onko ne ho biem aveg na be oba no ahyase. Won say omo sa na sese. Afeg go onye bibia nko but that was the area na no control. And now you are not demanding that. On demanded that anymore. It won't demand the beam no. Afe no ban asan ho kire no. Oma no ho biem. Onko no ho biem.
Wow.
She no so papa 6 months.
Wow.
Afe 6 months or wa na oba na ba. An when your oba foforo ho. O se menya oba bia. Mini oba bia wo me ho.
Wow.
When your oba foforo ntina na nsen wo ma me ho no se na me ba ho na wudidi matem no.
Wow.
Maybe me what time I will be ready no. You can come. But I'm not interested for now. Papa, sa 1 year, edu 1 year, oba na bebu kotojo wananim. Sa de no. E de papa sa wo relationship ye de ade bi ye wo. Na sa wanye pragmatic, wanye strategic. Na wo de ade na ye de ma wo no, sometimes you need to control yourself and deny sa de no.
Exactly.
Ese se wo jai sa de no ye. Enti wo de wo pese, me pese wo sesa, o chama na sesa. Da bi. Papa obi wo wa twen 2 years. 3 years, 4 years, the otia because who pampas are demons. You are always pampering that attitude, you know. Sorry, what kafa celebration. Papa me say Berman said also 1 year.
1 full year.
It was now the woman who was begging.
I
paid Obano and an pacho.
Obano.
Because they be a mebana, what did Dimatem, Jimmy for kind. Hey, Papa, some of the words that was coming out from them wife in the numuno. And one as bemena, if you necro bano and con home for sexy beam. But I know soon chesa koboja, my mania bonita unyame. Catching yamis or more one day, show so. Or respect in the best back. The respect will come back. And con who be on one the best sin is almost no, my husband has changed. This is not the man that I married. And your master son. Oh, Papa.
Wow.
It is sometimes Papa Yensu ya yemu ya hukakra. Oh, yenya self value be. I'm valuable. I'm important. So who and the who say me important. Me who say me important.
Right.
And you and I would define me value.
Right.
Because sometimes ya na make papa ye the value na kwa share obi nipa
na ebribia
and what they beto.
They do whatever they do.
It they be papa bu ho. Also who crew Fred Juma Bana Busan say, or Bemena, ne Juma Mutisaya, no did you watem. Papa Yan once were jay.
No.
What's the friend who couldn't phone so, oh friend? Mr. Manfred from me, Mr. Manfred was here how am I tete? What's the war chance or no best son? Now wouldn't come or best son. In Antiacosia, my friend and what did you matter? Miss Mintimin, Jai
Don't hand your value into the hands of those who
abuse again
they devalue you and you still continue to hand your life over to them. What is saying sema no dia was sense and also
Bible said don't cast your pearls before swine.
Exactly.
It's yadina wo dey mani pano se nipa ne value papa fawade.
Pull away.
We can be in a marriage wetin fawade.
Exactly. Etoni hotel ebi a 10 cities, eton airport ebi a 20 cities, eton on flight 40 cities. Sometime and crofobia the value you have.
Yes, Papa.
Nakai say, obia on value bia whoever doesn't value you doesn't deserve your presence.
Oh yes.
Obia for so no nim de nyame de amount. No nim emfaso ebe won ho ebe boa foforo. You are brabo ifri ho.
Yeah.
Any location that devalues you is not a place to keep your life.
Papa nti boni amaye ne se me do.
Boni be na me ye.
Boni amaye ne se
Why did I place my love in
Father's Day no mako.
Let's be mako ma. My giant amonya me ye.
Papa mpacho ma me read me message ni.
Akosu akenka.
O say wo ye a dedicated and responsible father and husband. Oh. Say the Gen Z for me come say oh yeah, also you're dedicated and responsible father and husband. And we can never appreciate you enough.
Wow.
And see what the greetings can see amount. Also what do ankasa. Chese what value ankasa.
Oh, Mayre mo dear. Because you have to be honest.
Say a privilege and an honor. So I worry.
Mayre.
Don't
say me say my wife is my cheerleader.
Oh.
Mayre. There's something about my wife that I catch and bay. Say baby ope or babia wobe obe kasem. I encourage you. Now watch you on. Mayre. Na me it mean na bon komo ni akasan. Imagine if I didn't have a wife I could speak to.
Yeah.
What is Vanessa?
Yeah, Papa, it's dangerous.
Oh, come here,
Papa. Oh, yes.
But me wairia. Minute me bon komo. E bon komo na ni asri kwa na e man ba say
and that, Papa, that's how that's a healthy relationship.
Oh yeah.
I
have a wife. I can share everything.
Oh.
Yeah, bon komo. Di adwini mu komo. E bi asemi e ba na ma bisa ne say ade de me nya so ho rebi. Sometimes me aka say me say sakofi ade ma ya ma so ho wa o minimum. O say o to me ya.
Na mo de ayese.
Wonim say there's something about me because
yeah.
Metimu ya den.
Okay.
I'm not a wicked person.
Yeah.
My father was a very compassionate man.
Yes.
Unfortunately, my mother too was like that.
Oh wow.
And
actually, Elder David Amenin.
Hey,
Elder
my
Chris.
my father.
Yes, and Elder Chris.
Elder Chris, my father.
And also, and finally to the former and current chairman of the Church of Pentecost, any all ministers of the Church of Pentecost.
Yes.
Special happy Father's Day from your lovely
General
wife.
Secretary.
Yes, from your lovely wife, Ma Mavis, and our day Emma Osafo, Osinya Misha.
Hey, my wife. Now what she say my catch now what she dey me say me mako ama me kura no me ba ko ama we say come here
I make say ka ba
also me balance me no fi me ho me dey alcohol no born and run no etoma to July end
yes
me ya ibio most so e musa
ya we she priestla papa nso so
I eja elder Osei Bonso.
Yes, advance happy Father's Day.
Papa.
Any a janum nyina.
Emamo mutrinkwa. Ma yade. Ani ejuma pa. Na niema pa. Moye. Yen papa Osei Bonso. Yen mi am papa Opoku nyina. Professor Opoku onyina. Men say bia ba na won Ghana. Yen papa Apostle Eric Nyameche. Yeah, Papa, General Secretary, Apostle Joe Obobi, former General Secretary, Apostle Engineer, Kumilabi, Apostle, Mansamiato, Metal Kachaka. And me and Papa, Apostle Abetamoa, Apostle Jessia Dopa, Mon copying free and chain. Yeah, and ye, Muinto. Not the yeah, and she won't cry. Na onkam ho abusiafo me twa me hotel me ba me ne Priscilla Osei Bonsu, a clinical psychologist, afi yede how to manage toxic relationship yede ebe to akwemu na ya hwedie unyame e wode man before yesu tama kama mre azani la la sulalai oche ma sase ma metonye 90 min points fio and crop for fie mo atenato
Minya baby from it to the Hong we might try to say.
Aha! Just hot kinky.
Just hot kinky.
And your hot. Just bread and pastries is sick. Just hot kinky. Dokunonua. Ye di yellow corn of vitamin A womono. Na ye 3 Ghana sa de sepe.
3 Ghana sa de sepe.
No mo amuto dokuno montenso. Eno no amutu etono. Say die. Occasion bia. Se wo pe dokuno se wo wo ho. Wo die free. Na ye customizing the mount. Se de wusi penny bia. Protein opese ye de ka ho. Ni ayama wo kama. Yes, we take orders for every occasion and you can customize the price of your orders based on the kind of proteins you like at a very affordable price. And to say, Obienim say, just hot kinky, and noa, and ye disable ya wahu, just bakery, and what commercial bank in Chenwa, and to fraying, and was 025 60688832. Now, young customize your orders in the mouth, never say what was said, it was a pen pepe. Just hot kinky,
just hot kinky,
and ye hot.
Yaba, I am Sompa Delight. Yadiabro, Monday to Friday, 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. sharp. Oh, Nesha, so Froby, Nobi, so Froby Nakashani said, Abna Ruthie. It was Sompa 106.5 FM. Or the Sompa Delight, Abro. Thank you, baby.
106.5.
In the stillness of the morning, before the noise of the day begins, there is a sound rising, a sound of prayer, a sound of power, and a sound of victory.
Yamawakwaba was Sompa First Service. I was Sompa TV, Sompa Radio.
Your early morning altar of encounter. Join Bishop Albesaki Kwampo.
Oyunyankupon di fa wastrano ewiye brim. And I'm Nensaso ama Onyankupon reyawon wat yepi.
Through this prophetic platform, destinies are aligned, burdens are lifted, and lives are transformed.
We enable to to us Sompa First Service. Our home enye TV program keke. Ayebra osro ni asasishia. Ayebro Nyankupon kasa chenemba.
Set your alarm, tell a friend, gather your family, and let the Spirit of God reposition your life.
Ma Sompa First Service entwa wo hu hoda. Ayedwada kusi efiada anopa. Anopa no num kusi anopa no nsia. Fa woda ni na share radensa. Na erade beye.
Enkoda boni 17 man ye me hwansuan de ena yayi medi kwan so ai enkora mema meken ho asem enkora na wie secondary school na womo say ade womo buru teacher for what is happening psychological perspective match some of the ma no enti akora won pafutu won penyansa bia no sa no ya woye Osafo mama kwaba at the bus studio has Sompa Rhapsody and I'm Sompa FM 106.5 FM Sompa Emma Ekitiapa. Priscilla Osabunsu, a clinical psychologist. Osai a PhD student at the Center for Aging Studies or Binseja Worship. Na me ana me pesa obehye. Ya na me di suye kunu so kakra na chese se be ya on share. Priscilla Memao Akwaba.
Yeah, Eja.
Father's Day, Asemena or catch them. When Miss Asmato, Asemena or catch papa.
Oh, my papa, Elder Samuel Sebunsu. Happy
right.
Father's Day.
That's right.
My papa, Elder Samuel Sebunsu. Father's Day na me chiano na me kache senya me enshura.
That's right.
For entity pa or the ma ye nyame asem titu bibia the word of God bibia nyame asem nti I'm so thankful ade ba kwa or the bia na oka say you cannot refuse a successful man nti ade ba kwa media ya adisu hunu say
Okay.
as long as you remain successful you born homode uye ni obeye no obieni wa obetimi aka bibi etia o.
Right.
Your words will speak for you.
Right.
Nti me fasa akwansu na madana se.
Right.
For all that our yamaye
Yes,
as our
right.
father nyame enshwano.
Wow.
Na happy Father's Day to you too, Prof.
Na se me de me papa ti papa na eno ana aka na hede.
Prof Osafo misume da se. Se wa fa me se wo ba. O church me. Next year ni 10 years.
Aye.
Yes.
Me be me na 10 solid.
Yes.
I was celebrity.
Yeah, we have to celebrate.
E ba Sompa ya
Yeah. 10 years of working with you and learning from you. May that was be happy Father's Day. God bless you. Amen.
You see, yeah, they can't cry about toxic relationship. Every meaningful relationship has had seasons. Your job is to discern the difference before you decide. There's a difference between difficult relationship and toxic relationship. They are not the same. Cheche.
Difficult relationship and a toxic relationship, no. Difficult relationship, yeah. Relationship, everyone's a normal relationship. Munya challenges, kaka. And the relationship, woman, there'll be, hard seasons.
Okay.
Will be beka bibi on pair because maybe everyone's a master. Person who send you nipa connectie. And everyone say you are downfall, and I say unya, and I say ukunu. Every relationship can have that. And he say maybe a kasa biba and I send to quite disagreements biba. And then your friend difficulties in their relationship.
Okay.
Now toxic need and no and you one single event.
Okay.
And I'm person T40 ASEAN. A pattern.
A pattern. I sabia a child.
The beer say no, yeah, now so no better. A sikasem. So be aduane ama and also be bibi ama gise
Transactional.
it's a transaction into toxic ni difficult no I was here hunsusu here wom into difficult relationship no
Okay.
say na okasa e mampe
Okay.
na mesuma che me die na ye de ye de boni a che hu so conflict is followed by a repair.
Okay.
Into enye say but toxic die conflict in be koswa ena de bia no una wa ye say nti de bia to kwa was our relationship sento kwasi a ye ntimi ntina sen ka say o me ye bone fa cheme no difficult relationship no mumienu mu take responsibility.
Okay.
Mu say oh aseme see ye no ma anye ni ye me so nka minya abota enka maybe daddy ni bu mfusa nti mumienu ma hu say okay me ye say but toxic relationship no they be ani pa ba ko na wrong. Una we oba fun una uni madie una wa ye say una nti de bia ni pa ba ko na at fault.
Right.
De bia una unyo yepa.
Right.
Wo de unye boneda.
Right.
Saint husband.
Right.
Una we the best. Inti ye hu difference no. Difficult relationship no. Mummy enu take responsibility. So unya etia wona so. Oh, me nua fa che me. Ma nya ni sa another time ono so ye bibitia wa. Ono so ye dey etimi take responsibility. But our relationship now woman dey bia una ye wronga. E go so hwe ni ye.
Okay.
Enumboa. Ena se disagreements kwaba obuo gusu wo ho.
Okay.
Respect survives disagreements.
Right.
Enti se maya obone na maybe maya obibi wan pekra still mibu.
Okay.
A difficult relationship you say enter whatever be a sin.
Okay.
But toxic one dear ho on fa onye hwe. Contempt replaces respect.
Content.
Oh, on found your shade. No, a boo and chie, now, oh, ye bema. Or Casa on Basa on funny dear Emma. That is a toxic relationship.
Contempt replaces
Aha.
respect.
Say, oh, a relationship muna may be a normal relationship difficulties bemukra. Or sense of self, no. A stays intact.
Right.
And I could see a canoe. O self value, no. Who say, okay, the fact say, me doesn't mean say me ni paboni and answer me pizza. But toxic relationship, no, omu. Only this was self worth be a if I so be a only value be a so be a new so. Into yourself, sense of self, no, a erode over time because kasa or ne kasa and yema or ne would wow ne utifie no who say bibi papa be yede e wo mi mu. Into toxic relationship no e binie into se woni ukunya kasa kasa eno no se nya dia e ma wo de bia obu hu abu fia na hu ma hu se o e difficult be na aba. Aha ena difficult relationship growth se mu benyini wo relationship no e possible ma mu mi.
Right.
But toxic relationship no nipa ba kwa ye na adwin se on se
Da.
Me dey say ya na me tia wuntimi meka nche me ne me nye. Me ube ware me no. Now nim say na me tia nti wuntimi ntake jai.
Wow.
One refuses growth. But
Obako mpese obenyini. Ana ono a sheba akoso.
There be a problem on to one I say was adrian na bibisa. And say what's a man for a sheni difficult relationship in so there is safety. Safety. Unim next time. Story I would share say or do to be them. And as obey a multi compound house, obey year or bedroom. Unim the ABC. And tea Sunday when a man who say relationship now woman. A man who's a toxic and answer a difficult and I say a normal relationship problems abemu because hard seasons in a year and I'm rare more day no ends now hoda because maybe most 30 years 6 months why into the relationship after na mu send ya motie and definitely metia on I so na so wa kwa adwuma mu foforo uni obi asa tell your partner so for definitely also usua ni suban no so usua send ya open but a relationship a toxic relationship no a sabi da ho de bia wona wo wrong de bia oni ba kwano ni woku omu okasakasa wani mbasa and enye one time say maybe before na buy one kasa yi de bia sa no ne wo ya also who say eno no your toxic relationship
for me be say mutie this powerful than a person like a difficult relationship various events that can come in the relationship bribi ebi esikasembi ebi ejuma saying ebi adam for na o yonko no ana o spouse no o ye ni mebia e ya na ha dwene kakra how any marketing kitibia just how open microphone no aboa. You believe in the value of the relationship. When you say the relationship goes beyond the challenge, in fact, its value outweighs the challenges. So that's a difficult relationship. The relationship has value. I didn't know woman, who say a word the baby at the mount, and enye oprana o feminine and now bracket and getting here, and a difficult relationship. But the obako a toxic. You can't toxic. I just say, no, a poison. Mamma say a poison. It's a poisonous relationship. No, sound relationship. No, it's a senipa, a kunipa, because we boo a pia or boo free ho. And tinipani move you. What to say, Pepe be our name. And listen to this carefully. Anywhere people do not value you is not a place to spend your time. Did you hear that? Maybe a nipe embuno, and yet baby, as I say, what do we a place of value is a place of growth. A place of value is a place of expansion. But a place of devaluation is a place of destruction. Maybe a nipe embuno, or say ye oprane wo and a mel be quine emanesel impressive point and a present demon. Presla, scripture does not deny relational harm. Scripture names it. Bible and kase in
adeɛ bi a ɛyɛ fɛ anaasɛ obi ma wo compliment bi a na wei so ɛyɛ dɛ ɛyɛ ne ya no no ɛhye no ɔmi de ogyae biribiaa ɔpɛ sɛ ɔnya favor ɛsuso nipa kɔ ɛso nyɛ hwee ɛnea no na ɛde saa na ɔmode kuu no ɛde kɔ pit ɛkɔ pit a afei deɛ moakɔtɔn no nti from one stage to the other ɛna ɛyɛ parting ɔmode from one level to the other and I'll copy Egypt. And you know, scripture and answer Bible, my who say, sans who they be now doubt. Assemblies you say yes sir. Or say no or better near no different. No be some say and sometimes no bibi hammy. It's no boa. Manipulation no can send you all nan crowfo bisa. Say who could not be cast same way, or you ever cast same way, who you ever cast same way. I feel the wild dream reality. Now I say all this thought, wild dream crown.
All this thought I do not say.
Enti no so ye see control and correct
and person we ba adamfo
ai me dey fear say maka cho say me ne wo e ma wo ma me ma ha e ma wo fa bia ma ha e ma onya kitso bia me mo aye wo ye oba utifie wo ye den untimi nya aduane unya hwe ukọ adwuma ba wa said ye ne say oba be ye into isolation or more bia.
This thing Priscilla is sharing are powerful ontiba e ya ba hu say obi say my boyfriend dear one day choose mommy. Hey, one day when you become extremely dependent on people in life, you cannot live a worthwhile life or a worth the while life. Say obi and may you be as a when just I say when you know about say pa be careful because the way you say you are opening up a space